Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the unprecedented levels of investor interest in Jamaica. Now, Jamaica is seeing a lot of foreign investment, especially in the hotel industry. 1.4 billion invested in the Pinnacle development in Montego Bay. Over a billion being invested in Harmony Cove. Over a billion invested in the Miami Bay development. Another, well, I don't know the price, but the Princess Hotel in Hanover, largest hotel in Jamaica. But here, principal 1.5 billion to spend to build two more hotels. And the list goes on and on. I don't think this level of investment has ever occurred in Jamaica before, or not at one time. I mean, sometimes you have to wonder, where's the workforce going to come from to do all these developments? So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's going on. Read investor interest in Jamaica. Jamaica is currently experiencing an unprecedented levels of investor interest, thanks to a positive economic environment, says Prime Minister the Most Honorable Andrew Holness. Speaking recently during the 19th Jamaica Stock Exchange Regional Investment and Capital Markets Conference, Mr. Holness stated that global investors who in the past would have seen Jamaica as too risky are now taking a serious interest. Among the contributing factors, he noted, are 10 consecutive quarters of economic growth recorded since the COVID-19 pandemic, a record low 4.5% unemployment rate, and a reduction in inflation. We are on target to now reduce our debt to GDP ratio to 74% by the end of March 2024. This is well below pre-pandemic levels and the lowest in 25 years. Mr. Holness further stated, while also citing Jamaica's credit rating, which are now at the highest levels they have ever been. In September 2023, Standard & Poor's (S&P) upgraded Jamaica's rating to double B-. For the fiscal year 2022-23, Jamaica recorded a balance of payments current account surplus of US $352 million, the Prime Minister revealed. He pointed out that the last time the country had a current account surplus was in 1966. Additionally, in November 2023, the government issued a Jamaican dollar-linked international bond in the sum of 46.6 billion, which is equivalent to US 300 million. This is the first time in our history that Jamaica has been able to issue a Jamaican dollar-linked bond in the international capital markets. This is a clear signal of confidence, he further remarked. Our net international reserves are now at a record high of US 4.75 billion as at December 31st, 2023. We have created an environment of fiscal certainty with 8 consecutive budgets with no new taxes, Mr. Holness said. He recounted the recent breaking of ground for the 1.4 billion Pinnacle residential development in Montego Bay, which entails the construction of 4 28-story apartment blocks in the Reading area of the second city over the next 4 years. This is a massive investment, and we have several other large investments of that magnitude to announce in the coming months, the Prime Minister said. Alright guys, so let us know, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think about these things that he said. I mean, seems like a lot of firsts for Jamaica. Alright, guys, thanks for taking a tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.